Welcome back to our Cybersecurity Awareness Month educational series. I'm Randall Martinez, Vice President of Technical Services at IT Pros Management Group. And today we're going to break down the 4 foundational components of a good cybersecurity program: prevention, detection, analysis, and remediation. A strong cybersecurity program is like a well-oiled machine, and each component plays a crucial role. Now, let's dive into each one and see how they work together to keep your business safe. First up, prevention. This is all about stopping cyber threats before they can do any damage. Think of it as if your first line of defense. For example, using strong passwords, multi-factor authentication can prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. Also, using protection on your computers is a critical prevention measure. Next, we have detection. This is about identifying threats as soon as they occur. For instance, using an intrusion detection system can help you spot unusual activity on your networks and take action before it's too late. Then there's analysis. This involves understanding the nature of the threat and how it happened. For example, conducting a thorough investigation after a phishing attack can help you identify vulnerabilities and improve your defenses. Finally, we have remediation. This is about fixing the damage and preventing future attacks. For instance, if your systems are infected with ransomware, having a solid backup and recovery plan can help you restore your data and get back to business quickly. No matter the size of your industry or your business, implementing these 4 components can make a big difference. And guess what? We're offering a free complimentary cybersecurity strategy session to help you get started. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link below to schedule your session with me. Schedule today so we can discuss how we can make your business cyber secure. Stay tuned for more of these tips and tricks throughout Cybersecurity Awareness Month. We can build a safer digital world. And remember, with IT Pros Management, you can relax, IT is covered.